Hey, I'm Paul Salazar.
What's up? And I'm Kyle.
And we are
The boys of Brentwood.
Wow. Yeah. Welcome to 831 Teakwood Road in the heart of Brentwood.
Yes, and this newest listing of ours has 3 beds, office space, 2 baths, just over 2,200 square feet of living space, just under 10,000 square feet of lot, and most of it's on a flat pad.
And the best part of this house are the views.
Yes.
You have views out to the Getty on the east and Century City, views out to the south, and best of all, you have ocean views out to the west.
Yeah, the views are incredible, but also stick around to the end and we'll show you how you can add $1 million worth of value to this property. So let's go check it out.
Let's go. All right, welcome inside.
Come on in, we love it.
We're going to show you one of the best parts of the house. This is the dining and living area. Kyle, show them this amazing view. Don't hit your head.
If you look out south, you can see Century City, the skyline. A little bit, you can't really see downtown, but you can see the Getty out here. We're sitting right above the house to the south, so you have views basically from the east all the way here to the west.
Yeah, about 180-degree views. If you wanted to add a second floor here, I mean, the views would be even increased.
Yeah.
Let's go outside. You have vaulted ceilings here. I love the French doors, really large French doors leading out to the pool area. And we'll show the viewers the pool at the end, but we want to show you the potential of what you can do here. On this side, you have the den, you have a guest room, and you also have the primary. So all these rooms here have views out to the backyard. Yeah. And once you cut this hedge, which we'll show you at the end, that's where you get the ocean views.
Yes.
You want to talk about the den?
Yeah, the den is fantastic. If you come in here, there is a lot of potential that you wanted to turn this into an office space, a family room. If you wanted to take this wall here, this is in the room that we were just leading into, so you can make a whole open floor plan. There's really the potential of this place is really awesome.
Yeah. Or even a fourth bedroom. But I think there's limitless opportunities. You can also expand this and make this even larger as well. This leads into the hallway, into a galley kitchen with a laundry room with a door that leads out to the front door or the front yard to the garage. Then as we walk through here, this is the guest bathroom, which also acts as a powder room.
And they also have a lot of closet space, which is great. So there's a closet here, and if you come around to this side, there's also another closet
here.
So if you wanted to keep it as is, you can, but there is a lot of potential for opening it even more. So as you see here, we'll step into the first bedroom, and the natural light, it's about 4 p.m. here, and you can just see the light coming in.
Yeah, I love the light here.
Yeah.
Again, you have, this is facing directly southwest from here.
Correct.
So once this hedge is cut down, this hedge is actually on your lot.
Yeah.
So if you cut this down here, you'll be able to experience all those views out to the ocean and to Catalina.
Yeah. Which is nice that the house is sitting right on top of a lot of other houses around it.
Yeah.
So although you do have neighbors around, you do also have a little bit more of a view than the other neighbors. So there's a lot of opportunity to make it even more refreshing of a view.
That's what's nice about this road. This road kind of reminds me of Lindenwood or Stonehill, where it's steep enough where each lot just gets, has more and more views as you go up.
It's almost terraced, which is nice.
Exactly, it's terraced.
Terraced and flat, for the most part.
Yeah. What you didn't mention, Kyle, is that if you wanted to make an extra bathroom here, you could, because you have these 2 closet spaces. You can have 2 different bathrooms here, 1 for each guest room. Let's walk into the second guest room, which used to be an office.
What's great about the second bedroom here, or the second guest room, is the side yard access that you have.
Yeah, let's go outside.
A lot of these places up in this area don't have a lot of lot space that they can kind of do free range with. And this side yard it's green, it's peaceful, it's quiet for the most part. Yeah. And it's just a lot of room. Yeah,
you have a ton of room here. This here is part of the lot that goes up the hill. Not a very steep hill. You can even make this even larger if you want. If you added like a retaining wall. But you have a lot of space here, which is most important.
And as you can tell, the old owner or the prior owner was very meticulous with their gardening, and the gardening is, they did a really good job with it.
All right, so let's end with the primary bedroom. You have two different closet spaces. You have that closet space. You have this closet space.
Semi-walk-in with a...
Yeah, with a full bath.
Yeah, with a full bath.
Yeah. But again, this is kind of similar to the other, to the first guest room, where you have the views out to the pool.
And they're all facing west, so you get nice evening sun here.
And check out this lot. I mean, this lot is great. Look at the depth here. You have so much space.
And the views here too, we'll be able to show you guys in a second. This is really nice.
Yeah. So what's the potential here?
Well, we can add just over 700 square feet to the house. So whether you wanted to add a second story with better views here, if you wanted to extend the guest or any of the guest rooms that we talked about, or the primary living room, there's a 750 feet that you can add to this property.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do you think?
Look, it's all about location.
Yeah.
I mean, you're in prime Brentwood.
Yeah.
You're 3-4 blocks away from Kenter Elementary. You are a 5-minute drive down to San Vicente, shopping and dining.
Yeah.
So you're 10 minutes away from the 405, depending on what time. Maybe it's an hour.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's a great location. We do a lot of business in this area. We just sold a house down the street recently. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and we'll see you here at the open house.
All right, guys. Thanks for your time.
Bye, guys. See ya.